If you find yourself falling on and off track keto, what could be happening is you might not have a correct electrolyte balance. You might not be getting the right kind of electrolytes for your needs. I have a product that just came back. It sold out 2 times, and the last time we saw it launch was 2 months ago. They worked really hard on restocking this product, and the reason it's just been this overall overwhelming craze, like it's just been selling out at massive scales like crazy. The reason for that is because this product is different than any other electrolyte on the market. It's called Mitoplex. Now, Mitoplex is going to replenish your electrolyte balance, and as you guys know, if you're following a ketogenic, low-carb, high-fat lifestyle, when you do that, you're gonna be reducing your insulin. When you reduce your insulin, insulin is actually one of those hormones that conserves the electrolytes within your body. So while it's very good to have low insulin levels, especially with insulin resistance and a lot of the issues that a lot of people have that cause them to gain excess weight, what happens is when you reduce the insulin, your body's also going to be flushing electrolytes. And this can cause you to feel really tired, really sluggish, and just not yourself. And it can also cause a ton of cravings. It can cause you to fall off track. So if you find yourself falling on and off track keto, it might be because you're not consistent with a good electrolyte protocol that's keeping you on track and going towards your goals. So Prove It came out with this product, Mitoplex electrolytes. They came out with the original version. It was the very first launch. It came in a little blue packet and it was unflavored. However, that product definitely had a flavor. I personally didn't like the flavor of it. Like, you would add it and mix it to different drinks and it would change the flavor of that drink, and I just didn't like it. It kind of reminded me of like a medicine flavor, you know what I mean? Like Tylenol, like in the capsule, that it's not like a flavor you really want to enjoy. So that product came out, and yes, the benefits of it were incredible, but it didn't taste that good. So it was hard to consume. Okay, so they took that original product and they made it the next version, and the next version launched and it literally went insane. And then we just went a long stretch of 2 months without seeing it, and so now it's back. So if this is something that you want to get on, you want to grab, I suggest you get it and you stock up on it and you have this in your regular day-to-day ketogenic lifestyle, because it's one of those things that is a necessity for keto. It's a necessity to have electrolytes and to get that electrolyte balance correct within your body. This product, it's gonna come in 3 different flavors. Amazing flavors. So their relaunch made these taste incredible. You can also mix them with other beverages. So if you're following the Nat Prove It system, the entire system, you can mix this in with those and it will actually enhance the flavors of those. It'll change them slightly, but they taste really good. Okay, so you can do that, or you can just shake them up with ice and water. So if you're just following keto and you're like, hey, I just need some electrolytes, grab these electrolytes, shake them up with ice and water, and there's different ways that you can do this. So it's gonna come in the 3 different flavors: lemon, orange, and lime. Now these are so amazing. It's gonna also help you increase your water consumption, because when you shake these up in just ice and water, it not only tastes amazing, but it's definitely gonna help you down more water. Now they recommend that you at least get 1 of these a day. So you have 1 of these a day, your electrolytes are covered. However, these are special. They're different than anything else on the market. The reason for that is because they're not only electrolytes, but they work at the mitochondria level. Your mitochondria is the powerhouse of your cells. That's actually where you get your energy, and especially with a low carb lifestyle, when we deplete our carbohydrates, our mitochondria goes into overload, providing the energy for our cells, our system, and our body. So this product actually stimulates the mitochondria, which is going to give you more energy and make you feel amazing. It works at that mitochondria level to kind of boost the energy production so that you actually have that extra energy to work out, to do the things you need to do, to gain the focus and the energy, and actually stay on track with keto and feel good, because we know if you feel amazing on this lifestyle, you're gonna stay on track with it long term. Mitoplex actually increases the ability for your body to use fat for fuel. Stimulating your mitochondria is really important. Now, there are a couple different ways you can stimulate your mitochondria. One is exercise. Exercise will stimulate the mitochondria, and also depleting your glycogen will stimulate the mitochondria. Mitoplex electrolytes is another way for you to stimulate your mitochondria so you really pump up that fat burning and metabolizing. Now, another thing that Mitoplex does, if you are consuming exogenous ketones like the Nat ketone system, it will help you with the ketone absorption. So you will actually absorb the ketones at a higher rate when you're combining the ketones with your Mitoplex. So if you are following the full system, I recommend you add the Mitoplex in with the Nat Ketones to help you with that absorption so that you get the full benefits from both products. These electrolytes are available now. I'll put the link in the description so you can click it, you can check it out. They are available on Smart Ship, which means you can save 22% off every single month when you set it up on a monthly shipment. I recommend you grab at least 1 box or 3 boxes. Like I'm putting 3 boxes on Smart Ship for myself just because I like to have them throughout the day, because you can have more than one, okay? And it's actually the optimal performance. If you're consuming them throughout the day, you can have 3. So really up to you. The minimum is 1 though. That's gonna get you 22% off. So a box of these, a 30-day supply of these is only gonna be around $38. That is the way for you to get this at the best deal, okay? So you're gonna click the link below, you're gonna set it up on Smart Ship, add it to Smart Ship, so you get that savings, which you can cancel anytime, you can change it around, you can swap the quantities, you can add different products to Smart Ship, whatever you want. But that's what I recommend you do so you get the best deal on this. Or you can just place a one-time today order if you want as well. That's up to you also, but just remember these sell out really quick, and it's one of those things that you want to make sure that you have in your lifestyle to make sure that you are set up for success with the ketogenic journey. Going back to what makes these special and working at the mitochondria level, there's other things in here like bicarbonate. Now bicarbonate is going to actually help you with like that burning sensation when you work out. It's also going to help you with your muscle preservation. There's also compounds in here that's going to help you maintain your muscle mass as you are losing fat, and which is going to help then your metabolism and all of those things. Now I recommend for this entire system, because this is what has helped me drop the 60 pounds and helped thousands of people that I help on a daily basis get the best results with the ketogenic lifestyle, I recommend following a specific protocol with these products. The Mitoplex electrolytes is a non-negotiable. Everyone needs to have that regardless of what you think about products and keto. Electrolytes are a necessity, period. Everyone has to have electrolytes. So the Mitoplex electrolytes, I would say, is one of those things you just get, you utilize with your keto journey. Then we have something called Keto Kreme, which is added to coffee to make it into like a fat coffee. There's collagen in there, and there's high B vitamins as well as MCTs. So this product is one of those products that I like to have daily. I like to have it either as a meal or I will have it in conjunction with one of my meals. It's really creamy, really good, really satisfying, especially right now around the holiday season. You can make up a really great latte from home. I like to just blend it up with a little bit of butter and a packet of keto cream, and I make myself an amazing meal latte. So there's that. And then there's also the Nat ketones. So Nat comes into play because that's an exogenous ketone that is a naturally fermented ketone, and it helps this lifestyle because it's going to help you stay on track long term. It's going to help boost your blood ketone levels. It's also going to help you naturally produce your own ketones at a higher rate. Okay, so I liked using all of these 3 products together. Those are my 3 main products. Now I do have a sample kit that's going to include all 3 of those products. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to try a sample, or you can just try out the Mitoplex, because I'm gonna put a sample pack that includes only the Mitoplex in there so you can see how they taste. I can tell you guys, if you're worried about the flavor is not gonna be an issue. They're not gonna make you feel nauseous in any way. They're not gonna make you feel weird at all. You can drink them fasted. They're only 5 calories, and so you're going to love them. But I want to make sure you guys knew about them because I see so many people get started on this lifestyle and then they give up, they fall off track. The holidays come and they end up overindulging on foods that they wouldn't normally overindulge on if they had their electrolyte balance filled and they're not depleted in any area. So mitochondria is responsible for your fat metabolism, okay? So if you are stimulating your mitochondria and you're doing that throughout the day, so if you have more than one of these Mitoplex electrolytes, you're gonna be stimulating your mitochondria multiple times throughout the day, which is going to help you with that fat metabolism that you want, as well as increase your electrolyte balance. So this is where Mitoplex is definitely superior to any other electrolyte on the market, and I think you guys will definitely notice a difference. I want to challenge you guys to drink at least 1 Mitoplex a day for 70 days and follow your ketogenic journey and see how it actually helps you stay on track and not fall off and actually achieve your goal. Click the link in the description, or you can go to ashleysalvatori.shopketo.com, and my referral code is ashleysalvatori. You'll also get an email from me and get added to all of the support that I have that come along with these systems. Like I have different groups and stuff. If you have tried the Mitoplex electrolytes, I would love to hear it in comments what you think of them. If you've tried the flavored ones, which one is your favorite between the lemon, the orange, or the lime? Put it in the comments. And as always, I run giveaways for my subscribers. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If you've been a subscriber for a while, let me know in the comments, and you might be chosen to win a special prize pack to help you achieve your goals. I give away a ton of them every day on this channel, so welcome. If you're new to the ketogenic lifestyle, welcome, and I wish you the best of luck here, and reach out to me if you need any help with anything. And I am so thankful for you guys. Thanks for watching this one. Take care.